Welcome again to ABC Vegetable Farm. We are going to talk about what is trending in farming, in urban farming this year, 2025. So, for first viewer, we beg you please click on subscribe and we ask you all to comment to what you know is trending in this year of especially in farming side. So as you know, what is trending first one we are going to tell you is about vertical farming. Vertical farming is planting crops in a vertical way where we organize our farm in a vertical way from down to up. This reduce soil and help to get a productive and a high yield to what we have found. So this one is what is trending where to use small plant and for those uh, who don't have land to cultivate, they can use this uh, vertical farming where they use a small capacity of land or where they can plant something in containers, in basin, in boxes, and they can grow vegetables and other potatoes, other many things that are grown there in that those things. And the second one, which is trending in agriculture, is about advanced hydroponic farming. You know, hydroponic farming is a farming with no soil or without soil, with soilless farming, where you can plant vegetables in pips, in boxes or jerrycans or other something where you put a small quantity of water and you put your cabbage or your vegetable which you want to plant and then you add nutrient as small as possible and your plant grow up without soil. This one is more productive and it is one is trending in this year and which is will be expanding in next coming years. The third one is about automation and robot. Automation, you know how something can do automatically without the intention of someone else. This one is coming in our daily agriculture or in daily farming. So whether you are going to be a farmer or you are thinking about your agriculture, you have to think about the automation and the robots, where robots can help you to pick something, where robots can help you in harvesting, where robot and automation can help you in irrigating, where this robot and automation are very supportive in agriculture. We have to integrate it in our dairy farming activities. And the fourth one is the artificial intelligence, AI. AI is the trending one which we have to deal with. So AI is helping and integrating in different agriculture activities where AI can help you to know what time to irrigate, what time to harvest, how you can increase the health of your plant, how you can add a good fertilizer, and many different in agriculture. AI can support you so you can get a productive and a good production in your farming. The last one which we are going to talk about is the renewable energy. Renewable energy, it is I think everyone knows renewable energy, for example, solar system and wind. So, for example, for solar system, we use this solar system in irrigation where it provides the power to the motor or motor where that can push water to in pipes or where there is people that irrigation work well. To mean where um, we apply automation and robot, we need a power, maybe electricity. So renewable energy can help us to add that something. For example, solar panel can help us to get the power to push water from the pipes or from tanks in farm so we can irrigate well and correctly. So thank you for today. These are some of what are trending in agriculture area. So we beg you, please subscribe and follow the next our topics that we will discuss about. Thank you very much.